Look at this. It's amazing what you find in the wild. We got a new van. Not really, it's not my van. That's my van. This is another van we're working on, innit? Say hi, Danny, to the viewers in the Amazing Grace world. This is Danny's van. Talbot Express with the better engine, petrol engine. Same as mine. Gorgeous.
That's it. We're going to make it even better.
We're going to make it, well, how you want it, really.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
We're going to make it our own.
Yeah. So, you'll be seeing a lot of this. Let's go. Say that again.
Okay. Do not paint your van with emulsion paint straight on top of the fake laminated wood.
Exactly.
It just peels off.
Yeah. So we've got to get all this off. Because you can't paint over the top of that.
No, look.
Because it's just going to do that.
Rubbish.
Alright. Listen to the pros. Do not paint your van like this.
No.
And this is only 4 months old, isn't it?
Yeah.
The paintwork?
Yeah.
Right. Now that job wasn't very appealing.
No.
Rubbing it up the wrong way. Or really rubbing off on me.
Am I? I do like doing that.
That's alright. That's alright. It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright. It's alright. Very good.
Day 2. Danny's screwing around.
As always.
Got the filler out.
It's gone.
We're going to paint this ceiling, paint all down here today. That is the plan. Jenny's on the block. Bingo mess. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. Very nice. Didn't Danny do well? Next, the kitchen, which will be next time. Right? New worktops going in, new cooker going in, new sink going in.
Yes.
New tap going in.
Yep.
All painted.
All looking nice.
That's coming out.
Let's go in.
And that's all we know at the moment, isn't it?
At the moment, until we delve into it and discover more things.
Right. It's got like a before and after, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that
That's
the before?
it, yeah.
Before?
Lovely.
After. Yeah, cool, man. Love it. Hello peeps, right, it's Saturday and my gig in Staines got cancelled and my agent, bless her, good job she does too, has got me a gig here at the RNA club. And I've walked in, set up the gig. They're lovely people. I've played here before, a long time ago. But they're all dressed up like cowboys and Indians. So this is going to be interesting because I do all like, I don't know, Oasis, Stevie Wonder, that kind of thing. So let's see how this goes. Well, gig was a success, as always. I needn't have worried, really. They knew I wasn't a country and western act. I think it was a last-minute decision. It replaced a cancellation. It was all fine. I don't know why I worry about these things. I've been doing it for long enough. Anyway, I want to talk to you about keeping cool in the van. Now, this is not a sponsored bit. I'm not sponsored by them at all. But, as you will probably know, we have one of them up there, which is a Max Air fan, which is great. And that is in our kitchen. Up there like that, and that can suck and blow and do all sorts of things, and it's really cool. But because we have the electric bed here, we don't have a vent in the lounge area, and of course it blocks off the overcab area when it's up, so it does get a little bit sticky and hot in here. So what we've done, or what I've discovered, or what I've wanted for a while actually, I saw these last year and I should have bought one. I don't know why I didn't, because they're not that expensive, is this little guy here. And I bought this because Ryobi, as well as other brands as well, have like one battery fits all, and because I've got the drill set which I used to renovate this van and Harley's van, it came with 2 batteries, just a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger with the drill. I do have the Hoover as well, which is brilliant, and so I bought this. 35 quid, extremely portable, can clip up, it's really light, you can carry it around with you. 2 settings on it, so you got low, there it goes, blowing away, and that is pretty good anyway. Put it on the second and it blows a lot of air. So I put little Ryobi up there on the first setting, clipped up. It's just clipped on the curtain rail up there, but you can clip it anywhere you can, I suppose. You can clip it in loads of places. It clips. And that's on 1, that's blowing down the van that way. And then I put the Max Air fan on suck on about 3 or 4. Doesn't have to be like super high, but the higher you have it, obviously the more air it will suck through. And what you get is this lovely breeze just coming through. Even better if you open the windows as well. So that, for the price of that, which was 35 quid, I already had the batteries because I had the drill set. You can get batteries I think for about 20 quid with a charger, is brilliant. Solves our problem of not having a vent. Also, we got these, well, Tracy got these nets to go up here so we can have the window open and people can't see in so well. Because this is an example of what people do when they walk past the van when we're parked in a street like this. Now we've got the nets up, this is what people do. So another way of keeping cool and keeping your privacy. Very cheap, I like them, pretty funky. There's only 1 there at the moment, but there's going to be another one, so we've got 2 like that. Works better if you've got that blacked out and that one over there open. You can't see a thing when you walk past, even with glorious sunshine. So that's great too. So that helps us keep cool. That's how we're keeping cool in this, what they call a summer. It's kind of a summer-ish. This is something else we got off of Temu, 2 quid. This lovely frosting for the back window. So now we can have the window open to get light in. And people can't see in very well. You can see out pretty well, but when you go outside you can't see in. Like that, see? How good's that? And I don't know if you can see, but it's got all these like lovely colours. So when the sun shines through, you get all these like rainbow colours all over the floor, and very pretty. Only thing is, how do you get this stuff out? Obviously that's been in there for a million years. Anybody know? Let me know in the comments how you get that stuff out from inside your window, because obviously it's a double glazed window and you've got this inside. Very annoying. Right, it's Monday. I'm off to Adam's now to paint his van some more. See you there. This is down Mill Road. That is tragic. It's a van just like ours. Look at that, poor thing. Rained off today, but you can see how we're getting on. It's a shame because we would have got quite far with this today. Gives you an idea of the colour.